Welcome back to Primetime News. A special welcome to viewers on onespotmedia.com. A proposal this evening from former Prime Minister P.J. Patterson on the direction the country should go in the fight against crime. He was speaking at a function put on by the Lay Magistrates Association of Jamaica Kingston chapter on Saturday. Dwayne Anderson has the report.
Develop a national security commission.
This National Security Commission, according to former Prime Minister P.J. Patterson, would work with all the relevant bodies in the country to think up and implement crime-fighting measures.
When something comes from that commission, it has all the inputs of professionals and political which can be taken into account that can move us forward in the proper superintendence and the discharge of the functions of the security forces.
More than 1,000 Jamaicans were again murdered in 2018, a reality Mr. Patterson says he's agonizing over, which is why he feels this National Security Commission is even more pressing.
That this perhaps is the only way in which as a nation we can combine to fight this scourge, because without it, it doesn't matter which party is in or which party is out. Jamaica and its future is threatened.
But what would it look like?
Consisting of 3 independent persons chosen for their expertise by the Governor General after due consultations with the Prime Minister and Leader of the Opposition.
According to the former Prime Minister, this proposed National Security Commission, once structured properly, would be able to solve any future state of emergency tug-of-war politicians might find themselves in.
The government will still be responsible for declaring a state of emergency in the first instance. But when the question of extension comes up, it goes to that body. And that body, with all the evidence and the information available to it, weighs the matter, considers the matter, and decides.
Mr. Patterson, however, made it clear that he has no public opinion on whether a state of emergency should have been used, extended, or allowed to end. Dwayne Anderson, TVJ News.